I'm opening the window so somebody come in here to spot me.
Yeah, come over here.
Are you videoing? Yes. After everything happens. Hold on. Hold on. Wait, I'm on video. I'm gonna go upstairs so we can show John.
Hurry.
Yeah, go upstairs. Hurry.
No, don't open the window.
Show the stairs. Okay. Middle hill.
Oh.
We're all just sleeping, and then all of a sudden.
This is so intense.
It's all got into our house, and we have no towels or anything. I'm really scared right now. Is it going on in Drew's neighborhood too?
Yeah.
What did he say? Excuse me. I'm on video.
Oh, sorry, I was walking so slow. Let's watch the storm. Yeah, it's so crazy.
Is everyone going to bed?
Yeah. Turn off the light, Taylor.
I can't see anything.
Take it off video too.
Okay.
You're not gonna be able to